Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start with a tuned guitar and a relaxed hand. Sit or stand comfortably and hold the neck so your thumb sits behind it. Place your index finger on the second fret of the A string and press just behind the fret to avoid buzzing. Keep your knuckles low and wrists slightly bent so the finger is perpendicular to the fretboard. Once that feels stable, position your middle and ring fingers but don't fret them yet. You want a clean, controlled foundation before adding the other notes. Next, add the middle finger to the third fret of the low E string to give the chord its bass foundation while keeping the index on the A string. Place your ring finger on the third fret of the high E string for the classic G shape. This gives a balanced top end. Strum all 6 strings and listen. If any string buzzes or mutes, rotate the tips of your fingers slightly and press closer to the frets. Make micro adjustments until every note rings clearly and comfortably. Finish by checking each string one at a time, plucking from low E to high E to confirm clarity. If a string is muted, lift or rotate the adjacent finger and press slightly harder while maintaining relaxation elsewhere. If stretching to reach the third fret on both E strings hurts, use the partial G, omit low E, or use second fret high E until strength improves. Practice slow transitions from G into common chords like C and D. Repetition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.